Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez, stampinup.net, and it's time for an unboxing. There's my October host code if anyone's looking for it. It is on my Stampin' Up page as well. So, what's everybody doing today? It's Friday, and I just got two little boxes in the mail. They came the same time. That's very handy, wasn't it? I haven't done an unboxing for a few weeks. So I've got a class coming up, a one-day retreat, which is very exciting. And we're going to have lots of fun. It's a nice day to stop and relax and enjoy, and I need something special. Oh, can't get that one off. Stuck to the air packets. What have we got in this one? Woo! Pockets of air. There we go. Aha! Now, what did I get? I got some Abundant Beauty decorative masks. So, if you join my team, we have little team challenges, and one of the challenges was to do things with masks, or any sort of masking, but you can actually get these decorative masks from Stampin' Up. And in October, they have a really great special on for joining. So check that out on my page. Go to my website. There should be a link on my post here. I'll just open these. Might have to play with these this week. So I've got a team meeting on Tuesday night. Might have to have a little go of these. Look at them. Look at that one. Ooh, houndstooth, and then you've got some, oh, this is great, you've got some, they'll go really nicely with that paper in the, now my next online class on the 29th, we're doing cards made with the Winter Meadow set. Now this could go really nicely with that. I haven't prepared those projects yet, so I might take these away with me. Look at that one, Christmassy stuff. And then you've got, I've seen some cards made with this. So these are layers, and you layer them on top of each other, and they've got little, see these little divots in the corner here? Hang on, let me get rid of that one. You line them up on those as you layer them. So we'll do that in the live one night. There's that one. And then you've got a leaf layer, and the flowers. So they all work together, those four. Gee, that's a really good packet, because you get all of that plus these. That's fantastic. Oh, goody. I'm excited. I can't wait to use them. Now I've got some extra things to use with our Christmas cards at my retreat. Some real red and gold ribbon. It's got gold dots on it. I'll just open it, hey, so you can see it. The elegant, Simply Elegant trim. Love this one. It's one of my favourites. And you've got the silver and the gold trim. Such a handy thread to have. Just open this one. See what it looks like. Oh, it's always nice to see it up close, isn't it? Oops, not my fingers. Here we go. Look at that. It's like it's sewn into it. Look. Just looking at the back of that. That is the back of the ribbon, but you even get a different pattern that way. So pretty cool. And I decided to get the Snowflake Sky 3D embossing folder. That'll be nice to use with that set as well. Oh, I better do some of these before I go. I can take them with me. So that one looks like that. I'll just open that up. Hang on. Oh. So you've got your little snowflakes. Ah, that's gorgeous. So if you put it up that way, it looks like the snow's falling down. Lovely. I've got some of the new gold and silver trim combo pack. And they look like that. Oh, nice. I'm hanging out for those. And I grabbed some of this, the Real Red and Garden Green. because I'm doing a fair bit of Christmas stuff now for the next few months. And I got a bit of more of the metallic woven ribbon because I love that, and I'd run out. We used it all up. So that's my first box. Oh, we've got another little box. So when you order with me, I have a host code every month. And so when people put orders in, if they're under $250, they go onto my host code, and that builds up. So then when it gets over $250, don't use the host code because you get to get your own Stampin' Rewards. But if you're ordering under $250, I like to use the host code because then it builds for my workshop, and then I can get extra little bits to give back to my customers. So I like to give a little gift, thank you gift, when you spend over $65. And that way you get something back. We all benefit from it that way. I want to get the joining special up for you on my phone. I haven't got a printed copy of that. Let me just go and find that. So if you join during October, there's a fantastic, so I'm just trying to go through the back button, fantastic offer. Where did I put it? Just got to find the right picture. Okay, so if you join during October, you can get 35% off the normal price. So the normal price to join is $169. So you can get 35% off that, which is around $109, something like that. Or you can get 35% more products for the $169. So that one, they're both great value depending on where you're coming from and what your requirements are and what your needs are. So keep that in mind. That goes till the 31st of October. And I'd love you to join my team in Australia. We have a great time together. Like I said, we've got a little team meeting on Tuesday night, so I do that on Zoom. So you can be anywhere in Australia to join in with that. And I just usually run through a few different things off Stampin' Up news and catch up with each other. And then we usually do a little bit of craft as well. So I try and bring something to that as well, so you get more benefit that way. You get a 20% discount after you've bought your starter kit, the next orders. So you're current for, where are we now? October. So we've just started a new quarter. So October, November, December. You'll be current. And because you join in October, you've got till December, January, February, March. You've got until really the end of April to be current on that join offer, which is fantastic. So there are quarterly minimums, and we'll talk more about that. You don't have to stay though. You don't have to be locked. There's no locking contracts, anything like that. It's fantastic. I joined for the discount and for the great offer when I joined. I think I got $30 extra of products, which for me it was like $169, and I get $235 worth of products plus $30 more. So I joined. I mean, it's fantastic. And I loved it so much I stayed. And I've got a little team, and I love doing classes, and I do card and cuppers in Pyrmont locally. So we're doing more in-person stuff. I've started doing a one-day retreat twice a year. And yeah, it's just lots of fun. So let me know if you're interested. This is a white refill. When you buy the white stamp pad, where are we? Where's my white? Just got to try and find where I've hidden it. It's on my shelf somewhere. Hang on a minute, can't see it. There it is. Oh, okay. When you buy a white ink pad, they come empty with a refill. So then if you want more ink to go with that, you buy the refills separately. So this one goes into the white stamp pad. And we've got in here, let me just see what we've got. We've got some stamp sets because we've got a class. My retreat day, you get a stamp set as part of that, and you get to choose. So there's a couple of them. That's what we'll be playing with on the retreat day. And this one here is actually part of a bundle. So that's part of the bundle. That's an embossing folder, hybrid embossing folder with dies. So you actually can cut out some of the stars and emboss it at the same time with the dies inside the embossing folder. That's great. I have shown these in previous unboxings, so you can see them somewhere else. And I've also done some things with some of them. Basic white envelopes, because we all need those. So I always provide envelopes with my class cards. and Berry Burst cardstock because I needed some more of that. Don't we all? I love that colour. It's gorgeous. So that's all that's in my unboxing today, and I hope you enjoyed that. And if you have any questions about any of my classes or joining, just want a catalogue, I send out catalogues to my customers as well, and I do that free of charge for you. Okay, I'll catch you next time. Ciao!